Alright, so I think I'm just gonna cut my crease, kind of winging this here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs this video up, even though I didn't do anything yet. And go ahead and subscribe right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. I am recording multiple makeup videos today and multiple other videos today. So if you see me in the same outfit in more than one video, that's why. I already recorded my other one, but I'm not sure which one I'm posting first. So yeah. Anyway, without talking too much, I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. So starting off, you guys already know we're gonna take our Fenty Beauty primer and we're gonna go ahead and prime our face. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade in the color Ebony, and I'm going to shape my eyebrows. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Sephora Bright Future Concealer in the color Pate Creme, and I'm going to clean up my eyebrows. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Urban Decay Original Eyeshadow Potion, Primer Potion, and prime my eyelids. Alright, so now I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take the yellow. I'm going to take this yellow here and go into my upper lid area. Alright, so now I'm going to take this light orange right here, and I'm going to kind of mix it with this yellow to get kind of like a, I don't know, like a orangey gold tone. Okay, so now I am going to go into my Tartlette and Bloom palette, and I'm going to take Firecracker, and I think I'm just gonna deepen the crease a little bit with that one, and then I'm gonna go in my outer area with Leader. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna cut my crease, kind of winging this here. So I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee and cut my crease. Alright, so now I'm gonna take Firecracker and go on my outer area and the inner corner. Alright, so I'm going to take this white and I'm going to attempt to line my cut crease. Attempt. Alright, so I'm going to take my e.l.f. Cream liner and I'm going to do my wing liner. Alright, so foundation time. I am going to take my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 440. Alright, so now I'm going to highlight and contour. So for highlighter, I am going to take my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the color D37. And then to contour, I will be taking my Fenty Matchstick in the color Espresso. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the color Medium Deep. Alright, now I'm going to take my Zuri pressed powder in the color Nuit, and I'm going to set my contoured areas. Alright, now I'm going to highlight. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sundipped, and I'm going to take Moonshine to highlight. I meant to say Moonstone. It's Moonstone. Okay, I'm going to take my MAC lip liner in the color Bittersweet, and I'm going to line my lips. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Metallic Glow in Rose Gold. It's a lip gloss that I got from Victoria's Secret. Alright, so I'm going to take my Huda Beauty lashes in Samantha 7. No! All of my favorite lashes. You guys, I gotta replace all my lashes. Do you see this? All because I'm trying to take off the old glue. This is like the second pair of lashes this happened to, and first it happened to my favorite lashes, and Now it's happening to my second favorite. Alright, so let's move on to my third favorite lashes, I guess. I'm going to take my Sephora lashes in Mink. Okay, I'm going to take my Stila Huge Mascara and I'm going to blend in my false lashes with my real lashes and do my bottom lashes as well. Alright, now I'm just going to set with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and then we'll be done. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look today. If you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs this video up. Also, don't forget to subscribe right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. I should be doing some reaction videos soon, and I should be doing some more how-tos, and I need to do another story time. But yeah, all that's coming, and you will miss it if you don't hit that subscribe. If you guys want to follow me on all my social media, don't forget, it's going to be right down below and on the next screen for you. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.